Well, hi everyone, this is Berks Oakley, and I'm speaking to you from my home office in Champaign, Illinois. Since you're viewing this video, you most likely are a student in the CSC442 Section B online class that I'll be teaching at the University of Illinois at Springfield during the fall 2011 semester. I'm really looking forward to this class. We have a very diverse group of students from all over Illinois, as well as from a number of other states. I hope that you'll take the time to read through all of the handouts that I've developed for this course. These handouts will give you a sense of not only what you'll be doing this semester, but also of my expectations for what you need to do to be successful in this online course. You can find these handouts linked from the main course page, which you can access by going to my personal website at berksoakley.com. In our class, we're going to be examining in some detail all of the different ways that the internet impacts our lives in America today. You know, I can't think of anything that's had such a tremendous impact on our society in the past decade as the internet. It's changed so many different things. The way that we seek health care, the way that we shop and communicate, the way that we get our news, the way that politicians campaign, the way that we get information and do scholarly research, the way that we get our music, and the way that we bank and pay our bills. Of course, there's a negative side of the internet as well, ranging from spam to phishing to identity theft, and even internet addiction. And when we think about the use of the internet in America today, we certainly have to think about the digital divide. Who has access to computers and the internet, as well as who has access to broadband in the home? We also need to consider the divide in internet access and use between rural and urban, and old and young. I hope that you'll find our course topics as interesting as I do, and I hope that you'll enjoy this course and learn a lot of useful information that you can apply to your own lives. If you have a question or concern at any time during the semester, please don't hesitate to contact me, either by email or by phone, or even by audio or video using Skype. Well, that wraps up this introductory video. So until next time, this is Berks, signing off.